Hello and welcome. And in this video, I'll show you how I built this smooth rotating video cards animation, a stylish and modern hero effect that brings your website to life. This design uses HTML, SCSS, and GSAP to create a looping rotation of video cards that play automatically as they come to the front. It's elegant, lightweight, and fully responsive. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Your support really helps me create more useful content like this. Let's dive right in. We'll start with the HTML structure. The layout begins with a simple header section that fills the full viewport height. That's what VH100 does. Inside it, there's a .container fluid to hold the main content. Then comes the most important part, the .main cards div. This element has the attribute dataAnimateCards, which tells our JavaScript where to apply the animation. Inside it, we have several .card elements. Each card contains either a video or a fallback img tag for browsers that don't support video. Every video has the attributes loop, muted, and plays inline. That makes sure it plays automatically and seamlessly without user interaction. We also set a poster image for when the video is loading or paused. This clean structure gives us full control over how each card animates and swaps positions in 3D space. Next, let's talk about the styling. The .main cards class defines the container size, position, and 3D behavior. It's centered perfectly in the middle of the page using translate, -50%, -50%. We also apply will change, transform, to optimize performance and make animation smoother. The size of the container changes with breakpoints, thanks to the custom mixins like @include screen_tablet and @include screen_large. The layout stays adaptive across all devices. Then we have the .card class itself. Each card is absolutely positioned in the center with top 50%, left 50%. It has rounded corners, no borders, and hidden overflow to perfectly contain the video. By stacking all the cards in the same position, we create the base for a 3D rotation effect, and GSAP will handle the movement and depth. Now let's move to the fun part, the JavaScript. This script is what makes the animation dynamic and continuous. First, we define a function called animateCards. It selects every container that has the dataAnimateCards attribute. In our case, that's the .main cards div. Inside each container, we collect all the .card elements using querySelectorAll. Then we define a recursive function called animateNextCard. This is what creates the infinite loop effect. The top card slides out slightly to the left using SAP.FromTo for every cycle. We pause its video and reset it. Then, we move that card to the back of the container using container.prepend card. After that, we bring it smoothly back into view with rotation and scale transitions. Meanwhile, the new top card slightly scales up and its video starts playing, creating a natural focus effect. We also set a small delay with SAP.delayedCall to make each rotation feel rhythmic and smooth. Finally, we trigger the animation on page load. That's it, a continuous, looping video rotation effect powered by GSAP and just a few lines of clean JavaScript. And that's how I created this rotating video cards effect. A simple but powerful way to showcase videos or portfolio content in a stylish 3D motion. This technique is lightweight, customizable, and perfect for hero sections, creative portfolios, or interactive landing pages. You can also find the source code link below in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.